You take a bite of any food, and that single bite takes you back in time to your childhood when mom or grandma cooked your favorite food. That's what we are going for. Hi, my name is Daniel. I'm the Strategy and Market Analysis Manager of Snack Planet. And today, my team and I are seeking for $90,000 to kick off Snack Planet. This country is full of hard-working people. That's right, Snack Planet is a food truck that serves quick and tasty street food from 5 different countries or regions. Our menu includes noodles, tacos, dumplings, and other snacks. Snack Planet is fast, affordable, and full of flavor, perfect for college students or office workers or families attending local events. Snack Planet is seeking for $90,000 in startup capital to successfully launch the food truck. This funding will cover paying for permits and licenses to start our business, buying and customizing the food truck according to our design, purchasing food ingredients and supplies, creating marketing materials, covering fuel, maintenance, and monthly expenses, and supporting the business until we reach profit.
Hello there, my name is Yadir, and I'm going to talk about the financial projections for Snack Planet, a food truck. So the initial startup investment will be between $90,000 to $140,000. This will cover the food truck acquisition and customization, kitchen equipment, permits, licenses, insurance, initial food inventory and supplies, marketing, and advertising. So this will allow us to operate legally with safety, efficiently, and providing our customers with a fully equipped mobile kitchen experience. So Snack Planet is projected to have monthly expenses that goes between $6,700 and $9,700. This will include um, food cost that will represent 28 to 35% of sales. Um, Disposable supplies such as cups, napkins, containers will add 500 to 1500, while advertising, um, which is very essential for brand awareness, will require 600 to 1200 monthly. This graph is showing the break-even analysis for Snack Planet, where we must sell approximately 2,667 snacks per month to reach our break-even and begin generating profit. So here it is. From here, we'll be generating profit. Then, for those who invest in our business will receive many benefits, such as 5% of the initial capital, plus a 5% interest, plus 1% royalty each month, and also gain a long-term value as the business expands into additional food trucks or branches. Because Snack Planet offers a unique international menu and a strong branding, our business has the potential to grow rapidly and reach a wide audience, making it an attractive opportunity for investors.
Hello everyone, my name is Monak and I'm excited to introduce our company today, Snack Planet. Snack Planet is a mobile food truck that serves international street food from 5 different countries. Our menu includes tacos, dumplings, ciders, noodles, and samosas. quick, affordable, and full of flavor. Our concept is about bringing global snacks to busy people. Because we are mobile, we can set up in a high traffic areas like college campus, office district, parks, and festivals. We also use TikTok and other social media platforms um, to share our daily location so customers can know where to find us. Snack Clinic is immigrant owned and focused on authentic flavor and using fresh ingredients and our own spice blends. Um, our fun in tropical triggering branding makes our track stand out and creates a memorable experience for everyone who visits. Overall, Snap Clinic's mission is simple: deliver delicious international street food quickly and affordably while celebrating culture and creativity.
So the food truck industry is growing because people want fast, tasty, and affordable food. In 2023, the food truck market was worth $5 billion, and it is expected to keep growing. It's a great opportunity for us to start a food truck business. So Snack Planet has three main customer groups. The first one is college student. As you all know, students don't have much time during their break, so we pick student as our first target. And second, office workers. Actually, office workers also don't have much time either because they only have like a short break between lunchtime. Third, families. Usually family look for something easy, especially for their kids, like kid-friendly food when they go to parks, festivals, or events. So what makes Snack Planet special is our international menu. We offer snacks from 5 different countries. So this is different from most food trucks that serve only one type of food. Our menu also connects with immigrants who miss the flavor from home. To reach customers, we will park in busy places or use social media to show where truck is each day and share pictures of our food so people can know how to find us. We do have some challenges, of course, like getting permits, weather changes, and finding international ingredients. But with good planning, we believe that we can manage these issues. In short, the market is growing, our customers are easy to reach, and a global menu helps us stand out. And thank you.